Another edition of Soleta product updates coming your way. This sprint, we focused on developing a foundation for faster and more consistent multi-turn conversations. To see what I mean, I'll first show you the previous way of doing things, then the updated version we're pushing out this week. To start, I'm going to ask a basic question such as what are the most popular styles of shoes among men? As usual, this question will cause Dana to think for a bit to decide what to do. In our case, we see that the style of shoes can be found in the products table, and the type of customer, which is men, can also be found in the products table. The orders table can be used to count the number of orders for each style. Okay, that's great. Then this will be able to generate a query, which with product types men and limited to the 7 with a great response. We'll notice that the most popular style of shoes among men are casual, running, and streetwear. Okay, we will then follow up by asking for this information in visual form, notably a bar chart. What then happens though is that we have to wait around for a bit. There's some spinning. It's going to maybe take a while. And the reason for this is because Dana is actually recalculating everything, coming up with a new query. And as you see, there's actually a new table. And then finally, we actually get our chart. While the results are correct, it would have been nice to simply remember the query we already generated. Not only would that be faster, but it's also more accurate. Now, though, I will turn on the new feature that allows us to carry information over from one turn to the next. Notably, Dana is not simply an LLM operating in an unexplainable latent space, but instead a sophisticated assistant capable of remembering specific pieces of information. So, asking the same question again, what are the most popular styles of shoes among men? What we'll notice then is that we'll first generate the same SQL query after doing some thinking for a bit. The thinking is exactly the same as before because the question that we asked was also the same as before. We'll note that in the first turn, the SQL that we generated is also exactly the same with the products type men and limiting to the top 7. Great. And so now we have casual, running, and streetwear. This time, though, when I ask, can you show me this in a bar chart, what will happen is Dana does not have to rethink about everything again and does not have to spend so much time spinning the wheels, and instead can go straight to the actual visualization. So this is great. It's a lot better. And while this is a simple example, it's a good demonstration of how Soleta is building towards a robust and reliable conversational AI agent. Thanks for watching.